1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body, reverse right. 1, switch body back. 2, 3, back charge. 5, 6, 7. We're going to catch the left hand underneath. I'm going to bring it forward on 1. Right hand is going to scoop up. Left hand stays low for hammerlock. 2. Guys, turn left. 3. I'm going to follow her. 5. Push pull. 6, 7. Start getting up and slide. So now on 1, the right hand hammerlock. Left hand on 1s. 1, 2, 3. We walk her forward. Left hand turns her on 5. It's going to drop to the shoulder. 6. We're going to stop it. Now on 7, we're going to start stepping the other way to turn her to the right. 7. Change her direction. So now on 1, we go step forward. 1. We start scooping on 2. We're going to go back on 3. Now we're going to let go of the left hand and look at her. 5. We're going to do a touch and go. Right hand keeps going on 6. On 7, I'm going to keep bringing her forward in the direction 7. Now I'm going to walk forward on 1. Bring her in 1. Let go of the left hand. Guys are going to unwind her with the right as we hook on 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do 1.5 right. Forward 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a full turn to the left right away on 1, 2, 3. Now full turn to the right on 5, 6, 7. We're going to start turning to the right on 1. Full turn to the right again on 2, 3. One more turn. 5, 6. Face away. 7. Now you're going to step forward on 1. You're going to spin in place on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Press by knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!